那事不宜迟，我们还会有一个项目在等待着大家，它的名字叫 DBOE， 让我们欢迎 ，Let's welcome DBOE。
Thanks, guys. I'm Jonathan from DBOE. Can we go to the next slide? So, there are two things that we really want to achieve, right? Number one, we all know that the market cap of crypto is actually smaller, even smaller than the market cap of Apple, right? So, what can we do to expand our market cap? So, what we think is that institutions need to come in, right? That's number one. Institutions need to come in. And we have also seen the rise and the fall of FTX. So what is our solution? We are a non-custodial options exchange. It is geared towards bringing in institutional flow. That's our end game. Right? We want to bring institutional flow so we can expand our entire market cap. Right? So we launched at the end of July. Within 9 weeks, our premium daily traded value has gone up to 35,000. And also, our daily risk notional final settled has gone up to about 163,000. Okay, so we have made quite good progress since the end of July. Okay, next slide. So this is our entire comprehensive offering, right? We are options DEX. That's our core bread and butter options DEX. But we have a lot of other things as well. Staking. Okay, staking of our own tokens, native tokens, staking of USDT. We have USDT borrowing. USDT Academy, which is our open trading, that's to entice new retail flow, and portfolio margin and a trading interface. Now, portfolio margin, you guys might not be that familiar with what portfolio margin is, but to traditional TradFi banks, portfolio margining is a must when they do deal with derivatives, right? And so we have introduced that. So how are we engaging our community? We have staking for the community. We are also targeting TradFi traders, right? That is very important to grow our entire crypto market space, right? So we have a trading interface, we have the DBOE Academy, crypto traders, native traders. All of us are very familiar with staking. All of us are very familiar with how DeFi works, right? And also, last but not least, market makers. Okay, so we have portfolio margining for market makers, we have borrowing, and also we have DBOE Live. Now, one thing to note, staking, portfolio margining, and borrowing is in the process of being audited. So we hope to go live very, very soon for the auditing as well. Okay, next please. Now, I already mentioned that we are options DEX. But why options? Why do we choose options in the first place? Okay, we have seen the rise and fall of the price of Bitcoin, price of ETH. Gone up to 70,000, crashed on the way down to 20,000. Okay, how do people profit from rise and falls? Okay, you can buy underlying Bitcoin, right? But once it drops, you lose your money. So that's where derivatives come in. Okay, futures, options. Now why futures? Now why options then? If you look at current daily trading values, spot crypto 20 billion, futures 60 billion, options only 1 billion. Okay, in TradFi, I come from a TradFi background. Co-founder also comes from a TradFi background. We know that the value of options trading will surpass or even equal or even surpass the value of spot trading. So you can see, spot is now 20 billion, options only 1 billion. There's a long way to run. Okay, and there's a lot of potential for options trading. Okay, so there is definitely a significant untapped potential for crypto options. That's where we hope to come in. Next, please. So what do we do? What are our innovative features that has democratized options? Now, number one is our central limit order book. It's completely on-chain. Okay? We are completely decentralized. Our order book has gone on-chain. Okay? So we match on-chain, we settle on-chain. Everything is on-chain. Now, why did we choose order book? All of you are very familiar with AMMs. Right? AMMs happen all of this. We choose order books to bring in institutions. And remember, institutions, the banks, they're very, very familiar with order books. They're not familiar with AMMs. And that's why we went the route of order books. Okay? And we have brought the order book on chain. Now, second, collateral is a big issue. Okay. When you trade, I come from Singapore Exchange, that's my background, right? When someone trades, they need to put in collateral, but usually they put in a fraction of what they can lose. So there's always a risk, right? That your emergency fund in the exchange, because Singapore Exchange has custody over your money, right? You run out, there's always that risk. So what do? We are actually listing spread options. Yeah, I know I'm getting a little bit technical here, but that's because I have a tech quant background as well. Spread options means your profit is capped, that means your loss is capped at the same time. Okay? So because of that, your margining is simplified, your risk is defined, and we can ask for 100% collateral. And it's not expensive. Okay? So that is why we bring high capital efficiency. That is to bring in institutional traders in zero counterparty risk. Okay? Because we ask for 100% collateral. Anything you can lose or anything you win, right, is already there in a smart contract. Everything is completely decentralized, everything is on a smart contract. So there's no counterparty risk whatsoever. Okay, so once you put in your money, you can be sure that you're going to get your profit if you win. Okay? And last but not least, we have a decentralized portfolio margining. We're the first DEX to offer that. Right? And this is to further improve capital efficiencies. This is a lot for the market makers. Okay? Again, I can't emphasize this more, but we really want to bring institutional traders. Yeah, portfolio margining is a big thing for them, okay, for the banks. Okay, next. Okay, I'm going to show you a quick video of how it looks, how our platform looks. Right? We went live at the end of July. So can we play the video? All right. Okay, so we are at DBOE.exchange. Okay, once you click on that, you'll see this is our landing page. Okay. Once you connect your wallet, very simple. Connect your wallet, MetaMask. Quick explanation of what you can do, of what we offer. So there's an on-web tutorial. One thing interesting I want to say as well at this point in time, there was a talk earlier today about security. We actually partner with Chainalysis. And we want to do things right. We want to do things secure. So Chainalysis actually covers our monitors the wallets. So as you can see, we are on Polygon at the moment, right? And we actually have different languages, okay, for the Asian market. Okay, so this is our website in Mandarin. Because my Mandarin is not terribly good, so I'm going to change back to English so I can explain it a little bit. So you can see our positions are there, right? There's always a guide to trade. You can always go through the steps if you're really unsure of what you can do. So options, if you all know, there's expiration dates, there's strikes, and there's everything. So you can get a little bit daunting. We have put down step by step of what you can do. Okay. This is a feature for us. You can show your P&L to others to introduce your friends to it. Okay. So at the moment, we are listing ETH and BTC options. And we are also intending to list other options based off retail demand. Okay. So for ETH, what can you see? Okay, so these are all our positions. You can see we are short dated options, because that's what retail wants at the moment. So this is what we're trying to do, short dated options first. So daily options, weekly options. And you can see the bid, the ask, this is what really an order book looks like. Right? This is what institutional traders see. You can see the underlying market. Okay, this is what happened a few days ago. I think everyone knows this spike. Right? So a lot of our clients actually made a lot of money based off the spikes. There's also a P&L chart. For those who are a little bit newer, there's also a P&L chart. You can see that the loss is capped, the profit is capped as well. So again, market order, limit order, you can choose what the limit order you want. And then you can see the on-chain order book. On-chain order book means you can see what the bid offer is, what the ask offer is, and what is the volume each side of it. Once you decide on what you want to trade, you can see your positions at the bottom. At any point of time, you can always close out your position. Okay, so you don't have to hold it under expiry. Okay, close up position. And of course, you can share your winnings, you can share your losses to all your friends. So these are open orders. If you put a limit order, usually your order is open until someone hits it. We have a referral program. It is to help them earn commissions on your friends' trades and everything. This is really bring in the users. So we have many different levels of a referral program. The more friends you refer, the more basically you get more rewards. We also have a chat, a bot. Right? You actually can put in any questions you have. Let's say the on-web tutorials are not enough. You can actually chat with us. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. We also have an academy, academy.dbo.exchange. This is paper trading. What we want to say is that we are providing you ZBAC, because it's on Nautilus. So we can provide you ZBAC to cover your gas fees. So what we are doing is that we are hoping to bring in as many people to try options trading. Okay? Retail who are not familiar with options trading, come in, try it. Everything is covered for you. Okay? Yes. All right. Next. Okay, so this is our expansion strategy. So we start with short-dated options because this is what retail are interested in at the moment. Okay? We want to educate TradFi users via DBOE Academy, okay, which is a paper trading platform. And of course, we airdrop our tokens. We're also onboarding professional market makers. Okay, so we are speaking to market makers as we go along, trying to onboard them to make the market in the order book. In our ecosystem, we have a mobile app. We're the first DEX, options DEX to really have a mobile app, okay, on iOS and Android. Okay, but we also have a web platform, as you can see. Okay, we're also developing a trading interface. This is for TradFi users, so they can seamlessly connect to our platform. So these are some other points that we have. We're trying to acquire users as fast as possible. And we have other steps as well. Specific to professional investors, we have research and market analytical content, and also very active on social media. Okay, for institutions, we have incentive pools, and of course our trading software. Next. Okay, so what really drives the engine, the fuel to engine, is really our tokens. First thing, our tokens has membership benefits. You can think of it as a membership to a golf course, right? The more tokens you have, the cheaper your trades become, essentially. Right? There's obviously a governance voting aspect to it, and there's also stake to earn. We are trying to give back as much rewards to our customers. Okay? This is to show that we are a real team. Right? I'm obviously on the one on the far left there. I think it's a very apt word in Chinese, right? Because we want to be a trusted platform. Okay? To make sure that whatever money you put in, you're guaranteed that you're going to get back. You know, if you make money, you're guaranteed you're going to get it back. Okay? So the founders, a lot of us have been in TradFi for a long time. So I have been in Credit Suisse. I was also on the derivatives side. I've been in the derivatives space for over 15 years. Most recently, I was with Singapore Exchange together with my co-founder. Both of us with Singapore Exchange. A lot of us have had experience in top tier investment banks, Meta, Stanchart, so a lot of these other places. And these are a little bit of our expanded team as well. That's all I have for you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to approach me. Right, and have a good day ahead.